whenever I meet with clients and they talk to me about, okay, we're going to do an event or a product launch, or it's a brand new company and hey, what should I use to market my business? I think it's just so important to consider all the tools in the toolbox. So whether you decide to use video, whether you use social media, whether you use radio, and of course promotional products, I just think all of them should be a part of your consideration for any promotion. Obviously I'm a big believer in promotional products because I think we're all about modifying human behavior. That's what marketing is. We want to take somebody who's not doing something and move them into an activity where they are doing something. And promotional products are an unbelievably powerful way to do that. The best way I see is when you combine that with other promotions, whether it's social media, whether it's TV. You can really create a powerful campaign by enhancing it with a promotional product because it adds value. The other piece it does is it adds longevity to the message. I mean, why wouldn't you add something that once that initial boost is over, you have long-term messaging to keep going to those clients, so to remind them where you're at and remind them why they wanted to do business with you in the first place.